Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will show you how to add any chain into your MetaMask wallet. So first of all, let me show you my MetaMask wallet. So here, if you can see, there are different type of chain, like for example Ethereum mainnet, or you can see here are Gorli and linear testnet. Those are the chain which you can be used for testnet task. For example, you want to work on some project and there are some testnet tasks, so it can be very useful for you and you can be easily eligible for any airdrop. Here is Binance Smart Chain. So there are two ways to add. Number one is if you click here and there is add network option, so you can add manually. The second is you can go to this website chainlist.org, okay, and you can search which kind of you can connect your wallet here first and then search which kind of chain you want. For example, I want you can say I want optimism chain. Yeah, optimism chain. Here is optimism. So you just type opt, or you can see you can type full name as well. Just click on add to MetaMask. Here click on approve, so you can switch network and done, you are in optimism chain. If you want some type testnet chain, I already have Gorli or linear testnet chain, so I want Polygon, or you can say I want base Gorli testnet chain. So let me search for base. Yeah, base. So here is, there are different type, or you can just scroll down and you can see here base Gorli chain. So you can add this chain into your wallet as well. So these chains are very suitable for different type of airdrops, and this is the easiest way to add chain into your MetaMask wallet. There are manual way, but that is too difficult. So just want to repeat again, just come here to chainlist.org, connect your wallet, and then search for the chain. If you want search for testnet chain as well, so you can click tick this box. If no, you can untick and you can search for any chain. For example, I would like to search for, let me say, another avalanche chain, a wax chain we call it. So I will write full name, or we can say short name. Let's sorry. Yeah, avalanche chain. So in this way you can add different type of chain into your MetaMask wallet with ease.